kumbolong lam kiri jong keperthai ke jela Meghalaya mentagasi ke arpu pratrik glober kala rakhi ya ke World Tuberculosis Day araja arpulai lingba ke Office of Mission Director ke National Health Mission ha ke jingyalang ke bela penlong ha ususu tham auditorium. Hagani gaski nagalyang kisamla pule kentai bat senrang kila wan banya sementa sirham haga jingsak hilang jong ki doktor bat ki nurse nalor ki weipat la samru iki kusnam ke tip kum ke district award ya ke bala sam da ke kongsan syaki nongyo benta ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo ke menteri badai pmi ya ke tenat ke kot ke kia jong ke sarkar jela kala syem ya ke benta kum ke kongsan hakani ke jingrakhi ya ke World Tuberculosis Day arajar pulai.
You are the leaders, you are the leaders who can take us to that complete eradication and say, yes we can eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. And it is correctly placed. What is a government? What is a team of bureaucrats and a team of doctors without community participation? That's where people like Father Karsati and others come in. This change of approach from thinking that the government can do everything to saying that government cannot do anything without community participation is a change that probably pinched everyone up on that ladder. But we are now a matured community. This nation is a mature community. And that's why you have the Honorable Prime Minister declaring and taking a stand and saying Muk TB in whatever terminology that he has used. Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan. Doesn't really matter what that means. But we understand that even the Prime Minister is concerned. Let's together work. Let's shake the system a bit. It may hurt some of our egos. It may make us wonder, who is this one person? Who the hell does she think she is? But let me tell you, it doesn't matter who I am. I have been elected by my people to sit in this position and to try and see whether we can achieve all of these things that you have so beautifully presented in your presentation. 2,749 TB patients is the target that you and I have. It's not you have, we have. We need to try and check this total, try and see whether we can reduce it further. And I am sure that if each of us put in all our sincerest efforts, there is no reason why we should not be able to achieve. The district doctors, so nice to meet you. So happy to see that you come to a stage to collect a reward. That reward is symbolic of the appreciation that not just the government of Meghalaya has of your work, but also the government of India has of your work. We can keep collecting these laurels and display them in our offices or places of work, or gauge media coverage. But at the end of the day, at the ground, what is the transformation? That, to your and my conscience, is more relevant.